As the dawn breaks, a blanket of fog tenderly envelopes the coastal Ecovia, creating a scene of ethereal beauty that awaits our exploration. Our journey begins in a field of reeds, where the soft whispers of the morning breeze dance through the slender stalks, crafting melodies that speak of the earth's secret joys. Fog, thick and palpable, shrouds the landscape in mystery, inviting us to delve deeper into the embrace of nature. Our path leads us next to the water treatment plant, an unexpected companion in our journey through this natural landscape. The crashing waves on the piers, a reminder of the ocean's timeless rhythm and its power to both give and reclaim life. Wetlands reveal themselves next, a crucial oasis of organic life. As we continue, the walkways beckon us forward, winding through the landscape like ribbons of stone and wood. In this delicate ecosystem, every plant, every droplet of water, plays a part in sustaining the intricate web of life. Protective shroud that guards the secrets of the wetlands, inviting us to look closer. Our journey culminates with a scene of pure, unbridled joy, a group of ducklings frolicking in the water. Their carefree antics, a dance of life and light, remind us of the simplicity and beauty of existence. In this moment, on this walk through the coastal Ecovia, we have witnessed the delicate balance of life, the resilience of nature, and the beauty that exists in the quiet, foggy mornings by the sea.